The BenQ X500i True 4K Gaming Console Projector is redefining home entertainment with its combination of high-end visuals, gaming-ready performance, and smart features. This projector is designed to bring a cinematic experience to any space, turning your living room or gaming area into a premium theater without the need for complex setups or large distances. The first thing you notice is the clarity. With true 4K UHD resolution, this projector delivers over 8 million pixels, ensuring every detail, texture, and color is crisp and lifelike. Movies and games both benefit from this level of precision, making everything feel immersive. The short-throw lens allows you to project a huge image from just a few feet away, which is ideal for smaller rooms or apartments. You don't need a massive room to enjoy a large-screen experience. For gamers, the X500i is built to perform. Input lag is minimized, making fast-paced games feel smooth and responsive. Competitive shooters, racing titles, and action-packed adventures feel natural and immediate thanks to the low latency. Combined with HDR10 and HLG support, the visuals are not only sharp but also vibrant and dynamic. Colors are accurate, blacks are deep, and highlights shine without looking washed out. Brightness is another highlight. With 2200 ANSI lumens, the projector produces bright, clear images that work well in rooms with moderate lighting. The cinematic color technology ensures color accuracy and vividness, so every frame looks closer to what creators intended. Whether it's a sunlit day or a dimmed room for movie night, the picture remains impressive. Smart features make this projector more than just a display. Android TV integration allows direct access to streaming platforms like Netflix, Disney+, YouTube, and more. There's no need for an extra device, everything is built in. The interface is intuitive and smooth, making it easy to switch between gaming and streaming content without any delays or complications. Audio performance is equally impressive. The projector comes equipped with TreVolo-tuned speakers, providing rich, clear sound that fills the room. For those seeking even more immersive audio, it supports HDMI eARC, making it simple to connect to a soundbar or surround sound system for a full home theater experience. The design is sleek and modern. Its matte finish body fits seamlessly into any setup, whether placed on a table or mounted on the ceiling. The included ceiling mount makes installation straightforward, ensuring your screen alignment is perfect without hassle. The cooling system operates quietly, which is essential for uninterrupted gaming sessions or late-night movie marathons. Efficiency and longevity are built in. SmartEco mode adjusts brightness and power consumption dynamically, extending lamp life up to 20,000 hours. This means long-term reliability without constant maintenance or bulb replacements. Overall, the BenQ X500i combines gaming-ready speed, cinematic quality visuals, and smart, convenient features into one compact and elegant device. It's perfect for those who want a versatile projector capable of handling console gaming, streaming, and immersive movie nights. The combination of true 4K resolution, low latency, vivid HDR, and integrated smart technology makes it a standout option in today's market. If upgrading your home entertainment or gaming setup is a priority, the BenQ X500i True 4K Gaming Console Projector with short-throw lens and ceiling mount delivers a complete package that is hard to beat.